Can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So basically, last time we discussed about the networking devices. Yes or no? Today we also discuss networking devices, but today we discuss some advanced part. Clear? Okay. Right now, uh, last time we discussed a topic name is Gopi. Topic name is which one, dear? Internetworking devices. This topic we discussed now, internet working devices. Now, one more thing you need to remember in internet working devices, we discuss hub concept, we discuss bridge concept, we discuss switch concept. Clear? Okay. Hub called half duplex or full duplex device. Any idea, Gopi? Loyal need.
Half,
Hub called?
half,
Okay. Basically, hub called a half duplex device. Okay. Bridge called
full.
full duplex. But right now in a network, we are using hub or we are using bridge. No. Why? Because both a device, which type dear? Plug and play device, no management option. And number of devices you can connect are limited. So that is the reason we are using a which one devices for connectivity? Switch. Okay, switch called which one device? Full duplex.
Full
And we
duplex.
are having a GUI or CLI option to manage. Clear? And number of ports, how many dear? Anyone know number of ports? 16, 24, 32, and then
48.
48. Very good. Now, last time we discussed about the switch theory. So last time we discussed every key point about switch. Now today we discuss first introduction part. Which one part, dear? Introduction part. In real time, how switch identify which one is layer 2 switch, which one is a layer 3 switch. So I'm having some pictures, a layer 2 and layer 3 switches images. Clear? So right now go to drive. Hold on 1 second. D drive and device PNG. Where is my device PNG? This one. And now wait. So we discuss multiple switches, but a most popular series we discuss first. So open this one, copy, paste. So this one is first switch. Then go to next switch, and next switch is this one. Copy this one, paste. Now next device, this one, copy and paste. Okay. Next device, this one. Okay. So this switch is visible. Gopi, Neil, Lloyd.
Yes.
Okay. Right now, today we discuss introduction part about the devices. How to verify which one is my layer 2 switch, which one is my layer 3 switch, and how many types port available on your switches. Clear? How many types port available
Yes.
on your switches?
Switches.
Because in real time, if you're having a switch, so how to identify which one port provide a connectivity for LAN user, which one port providing a connectivity for WAN users devices. Clear? WAN devices, you can say. Now, so basically you can verify as a network engineer, this side we are calling a front panel. As a network engineer, we are calling this one is my, which one panel dear? A
Front
front
panel.
panel. Okay, in front panel, we are getting first information, this thing. Okay, I will use another marker, this one. This one information will define a series number of your switch. Which one, dear? Series number. Okay. Right now we are getting a catalyze. Catalyze is a you can say organization merged with Cisco and provide a catalyze switches. Clear? Catalyze is not another device. It's a vendor name. Clear? Now, and after this one side and this one thing. This one is rack mounted, rack mounting option. If you want to mount your device in rack, so you can attach this one. Now, one more thing. This one called indicators. Which one, dear? Indicators. Your system is down or up. This side we are getting a mode button. Which one button? Gopi, Loyal Neil, a mode button. Okay, if you are using a window, so in Windows, we are getting a safe mode. Anyone know why we use safe mode? Anyone know why we use safe mode? Anyone know safe mode? To recover your iOS, to break your password, to uninstall your you can say unauthorized application, you can uninstall. You can do some advanced tasks also in safe mode. Same thing in mode button. If you press a mode button in between 10 seconds to 30 seconds, so you can jump to which one mode, dear? A Roman mode. This mode you can do reset your password. If you want to any other thing, so you can do as it is safe mode. Now one more thing, from this one to this one, 8, 8, 8. That means 24 ports. This 24 ports we are calling a fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet means how many speed? 100 Mbps. Clear? And this 100 Mbps ports you can connect with PC. You can connect with your IP phones. You can connect with your access points. But right now, these two ports we are calling a gig port. Gig port means how many speed, dear? 1 GB. And this port also known as a uplink port. Which one port? Uplink port. Uplink port means this port connected with your routers, connected with your firewalls, connected with your load balancer, connected with your server, connected with your multi-layer switches. So this uplink ports will provide high speed 1 Gbps. So how many total ports available in this series switch? This series switch name is 2950, and this one is pure layer 2 switch. How to identify this one is pure layer 2 switch? You need to read this switch a data sheet. In data sheet, you can get a complete protocol information. How many protocols support this switch? Okay. Now, one more thing. Go to next device. This one. This device also we are getting this side. Which one information, dear? Series number. This series number is 2960. Clear? Now one more thing. This side we are getting a which one option, dear? Indicators. This side we are getting a which one option? A mode button. Okay, this side and this side we are getting again which one port? Fast Ethernet. How many speed? 100 Mbps. But right now these two ports we are calling a gig port. How many speed? 1 GB. And these two ports also known as a which one port? Uplink ports. If right now in this device we are getting a rack mounting option? No, but you can attach in this slots a rack mounting slot. Now, how many ports total? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that means 24 ports plus 2. How many ports total? 26. And right now this one also known as a which one switch? Pure layer 2. Clear? Now one more thing. This one. This one switch again we are getting at this side a series number information, but this one is 3550 Cisco series. And right now this one is we are calling indicators, and this side we are calling a mode button. And from this one to this one we are calling a fast Ethernet port, 100 Mbps speed. Right now in this switch we are getting 1 GB link. Verify. Loyal Neil Gopi. In this switch, we are getting 1 GB ports. Can you please verify?
No.
1 GB ports available? No. This one is?
No.
This one is old series switch. That is the reason we are not getting. We are not getting which one option, dear? We are not getting a which one option? 1 GB port option. Clear? Now, this one also called a pure layer 2 switch. I will show you how to identify it's a layer 2 or layer 3 if you're having any confusion. Now, one more thing. This one switch called this side a series number again. And this series number is 3560. And this one called a layer 3 switch. Why we are calling a layer 3 switch? Because this one is my multi-layer switch, support switching plus routing. And this side we are getting indicators to get your device status information. And this one is my a mode button. And now from this one to this one, we are getting a which one port, dear? Fast Ethernet. And how many speed? 100 Mbps. And right now, one more thing. This four ports, we are calling SFP ports. Anyone know a fiber cable? Fiber cable, why we use? Anyone know why we use fiber cable? To get a more range in kilometers, in meters. Normally, your LAN cable available in 100 meter to, you can say 1000 meter only. Clear? It's a limitation. But fiber cable available from 100 meter to 1000 kilometer, 10,000 kilometer, 1 kilometer, you can increase. So range is available. This SFP ports, we connect always SFP modules. Which one, dear? SFP modules. This SFP modules range available. And this SFP modules connect with your fiber cables. Okay. This thing is clear. Now one more thing. It's a very simple task. Now I will show you a switch indicators. Give me 1 second. Hold on. If picture is available for switch indicator, that means very good. Okay. Not available. Okay. We create switch indicators picture. Basically, how many types indicator available in your switch? This one is your switch. So we are getting first indicator system. Then second indicator is RPS. Then third indicator is status. Then fourth indicator is duplex. And one more indicator available after duplex is speed. And one more indicator available. Give me 1 second to increase slide. One more indicator available. It's a PoE switch. Now, this one is your indicators available in your switch. Now, so first indicator name is this one, a system indicator. Second is RPS indicator. Third is state indicator. Fourth is a duplex indicator. And fifth is your speed indicators. Sixth is a PoE indicators. Clear? So this one is actually switch indicators. If you want to verify this thing is true or false, you can verify on your Cisco devices. Give me 1 second. Cisco switch indicators. So verify here. System. You can take a screenshot, snipping tool. Verify. System, RPS, test, duplex, speed, and PoE. Why we use this indicators? Why we use this indicators? Okay, right now, one more thing, remember, One by one, every indicator we discuss one by one. First, we discuss a system indicators. In system indicators, if you are getting a green light, which one light, dear? If you are getting a green color light, that means system is a powered and operational. System is power on and running on operationals. If you are getting amber color, if you are getting amber light, so if you are getting amber light, that means system is malfunction. Clear? So you need to check your switches. One more indicator is available. It's called RPS. RPS means a redundant power supply. Why we use redundant power supply? If you are having a two power supplies inside your switches, that then we are using. If you are getting RPS in a green light, in RPS indicator, if you are getting a green light means a redundant power supply is running, or you can say in operational. One more light is available in RPS if you are getting an amber color light. If you are getting amber light, then what is the meaning of amber light? A redundant power supply is installed but not operational or running. Clear? If you are getting amber color light. Now one more color light is available. If you are getting a flashing, if your amber color light is flashing amber light, or you can say blinking. Flashing means you can say blinking. The internal power and redundant power supply have process, and the internal power supply is processing the switch. So internal power supply is running. That is the reason we are getting amber color light flashing. Clear? Now, state LED. We are write down a STAT, state. Right now, why we are using state LED indicator? So state LED means if state LED is on, that means it's a port status. Your switches. What is the meaning of port status LED? If you are getting green color light, green light in your state LED, that means link is present. Link is running, or you can say present in your switch, connected. If you are getting a flash green light, you can say blinking also. Flash means if you are flashing green light, that means link activity is running. If you are getting alternating link, you can say amber color. If you are getting in your link amber color, why this marker doing amber light, that means a link failure present on your switch. If you are getting, you can say one more thing you can write down for amber light showing also possible. Port is not a forwarding state your data. Clear? Or receiving your data. This thing is clear. Any doubt, dear?
No.
Anyone? Any issue for this indicators? Which one is remaining? Which one is remaining? Okay. If someone say, sir, RPS is not showing any line. If RPS is off, that means no redundant power supply available on switch. This thing is clear. If RPS is not getting any light, so switch is not getting a redundant power supply. If system indicator is off, if system indicator is showing off, no light, that means switch not powered on. Clear? This thing is clear now. One more indicator is available. It's called duplex. Why we are using a duplex? So if duplex are getting on, if duplex getting a light, if off, that means running in half duplex. If on, that means running in full duplex. PoE right now we are not discussed. That is the reason we need to remaining a PoE topic we discuss again. Any doubt for this thing? This one information is clear.
Yes.
Power over Ethernet. This feature available on switch to provide power for which one devices here? Access point, IP phone, cameras, and security devices. If you're having a door security and other devices, PoE feature, if available on switch, then switch port mark with which one line, dear? Mark with which one line? Yellow line. Okay. So can you please verify this switches? If I am saying switch one having a yellow line on ports, verify. Every port having a yellow line. This one, yes or no? This yellow line is available. So that means this one is my which one port, which one switch? A PoE supported switch. Every port can provide a power. Can you please verify this switch having a yellow line with ports? Loyal, Neil, go. Yes, this yellow line is available. This ports also. That means this one also supported PoE. Go to next switch. This switch having any yellow line on ports, verify. No. So this one switch PoE not supported.
No.
Okay, this one switch having a yellow line, multi-layer switch, verify. This line is available. Yes.
Yes.
So that means this one is PoE supported. Right now, always need to read a data sheet of your switch before purchasing for organization. Clear? Last time we discussed this PoE ports indicators, system LED, RPS, status LED, duplex, speed, PoE, mode button we already done. Clear? Now, if I am saying Cisco switch 2950 data sheet, PDF, this one. This one is your Cisco series switch 2950. Okay. This one is series type. If you are having a 295 12 port 24 48 48, we are getting this one 2950 SX T. Yes or no? Now one more thing. Go to scroll down. Verify. Redundant for fault backup is available, and we are running RSTP protocol, UDLD protocol. You can support VLAN concept, MSTP you can support, PVST plus you can support, VTP support, MVR, IGMP can support. Okay, now scroll down. Multiple protocols, SNMP, span, TCAS radius, quality of service you can support. Now one more thing. Class of service, quality of service. Okay. TFTP you can run, NTP you can run. Clear? Now scroll down again. CDP protocol you can run. CLI management is available, not a GUI. Now go to again, scroll down. This one is performance management. This one is standard feature available. Okay. Right now, routing concept is available. Routing is showing. No. RAP, OSPF, BGP. No. MPLS, we are not getting. So that means this one is a switch not supporting. If I am saying Cisco 3560 data sheet. Now wait. This one. Click on this one side. Okay. This product is no longer for supported by Cisco. It's a collapse and end of date of sale 14 May. If I am saying Cisco 9300 switch data sheet. Right now this switch is running in real time. This one. Wait. This one is switch. Actually, we are getting a catalyst series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 24 ports available plus SFP ports plus USB ports are also available. Okay, now up to 1 TB stacking your bandwidth. Okay, 1 TB stacking feature. Why we use stacking? We discuss again. PoE concept we also getting. Now scroll down. This one supporting IPv6, clear? Net flow. Okay. Now scroll down. SD access also can support. And this one is port speeds you can get. This one is multiple series. So this series switches nowadays we are using. Verify. This one. SFP ports. This one is extra modules you can connect with your switch. This one is power supplies. 1, 2. So 2 power supply you can get RPS option. This one is cooling fan your processor. Okay, scroll down. So multiple series available. This one is a stacking feature. This one is a stack cables for your switch. Multiple switch bundle. Now this one is a stacking. Verify. Switch 1 connected with switch 2, switch 2 connected with switch 3, and switch 1 connected with a switch 3. Every switch having a how many power supply? 1, 2. If one getting a failure, so another is backup. So if you having a 48, 48, and 48, so total ports we are getting for in single switch in logical. So this logical switch having a multiple ports, and in this switch is stacking. One switch act as a master and another switches act as a slave. And master switch will take a decision for data forwarding. If master goes down, then slave will convert into one slave convert into master easily. So you can get a backup also, a redundancy concept. Now, clear this one. Last time we discussed a front panel. Now we need to discuss about a back panel of switch. Just give me 1 second to increase slide size. Okay, where is my back panel? Okay, back panel picture I already have this one. Every switch having a same back panel in enterprise network. If you're having a high-end switches, if you're having a data center switches, so we are getting a different back panel or different front panel. Now, this one is my back panel of switch. In back panel, verify first thing. This one port is connect with my which one cable, dear? Which one cable? A power cable. Okay. This one port we are getting which one? A console. Anyone know why we use console port? To get
To configure the
CLI
switch.
access. How to get CLI access? So basically we are getting a cable. One side we are getting RJ45 and another side
Serial.
we are getting a which one port, dear?
Serial.
Serial, or you can say it's a my DB9 pin connector. Clear? This one is serial. Now this port also known as a 232 series port. If you write down 232 port, so 232 port means which one, dear? DB9. Clear? It's called RS232 port. Now, this port nowadays available in your PC, in your laptops nowadays available? No.
No.
So that is the reason we are using serial to which one converter, dear?
USB.
USB. And we are also having which one converter serial to? We are having USB and we are also using type C connector. Which one, dear? Type C. If you're having a MacBook, so you can connect your switch via CLI mode, because in MacBook we are getting type C port also, Thunder port also. But if you're having a data center switch, so what will be happen? For example, Cisco 930 switch, only switch, we write down and then enter. Wait, images. Okay, this picture is clear. Hold on, I will show you latest picture. Yeah, another picture is available. Give me 1 second to verify. HD picture, if available HD picture, so we can get easily. Yeah, this picture is visible. The snapping tool, capture, because both type switches available in enterprise network, both type. Now, basically this one is high-end series switch, but first verify first thing. Which one ports? From this one to this one. This one port start from 100 MB to up to 10 GB, 20 GB ports, 40 GB ports speed available. Clear? Now one more thing. This ports we are calling which one port? SFP port to connect your fiber cables. But right now this one is which one button, dear? A mode button. These two ports we are calling a USB port. USB port available 2.0, 3.0 also available. So basically 2.0, 3.0, why we use? If you want to take a backup your device, if you want to restore your device, if you want to upgrade your iOS without any laptop, without any PC, so you can attach your devices, a pen drive. Clear? Now, this port is external. If you want to connect with your any other device, so you can get connectivity. This side we are getting indicators. So this one is your front panel of your high-end switches. But what is the meaning of back panel? Last time we discussed back panel normal switches. Now Data center switches back panel. So this side we write down back panel. Yeah, this one is very good. Snipping tool. Go to a slide and paste. Now, first thing, always remember this port we are calling a console port. One more port is available. This one is management purpose. You can sitting your separate person to monitor your device. Clear? Now, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Why we use this one is your CPU fans. If you want to cooling your device, so you can use. This one is power supply 1. This one is power supply 2. At a time, both power supply can run. At a time, both power supply cannot use. Basically, both power supply you can connect power cables, but at a time only one power supply act as a active person and another power supply act as a which one person? Standby. If active goes down, then standby automatically convert into active. So in this switches, you can use RPS, redundant power supply feature. Clear? Right now, one more thing, stack ports also available. If you want to verify Cisco switch stack port. Clear picture must be remember. Hold on. Now this one is visible. Wait. The snipping tool. Right now, this one is a stack port. Now, stack 1, stack 2, stack 1, stack 2. Why we use two ports? For example, this switch having a 48 port, this switch having a 48 port. But after bundling means you are doing a stacking. Multiple switches in single logical switches. Now, one stack cable connect with this switch and then perform stacking. After performing a stacking, we are getting a single switch. So 48 plus 48, how many ports? Anyone know? How many ports? 96 port switch we are getting. And one switch act as a master, one switch act as a slave. Only one device at a time master. Only one device. Clear? Now stack cable also very different in real time. If you want to do stacking, so stacking is different topic. In CCNP or CCI, we discuss stack topic. Clear? Stack cable. This one is your stack cable. Last time we are using a this type, but nowadays we are using a this type also cables. This one also we are using cables. This one is new, a latest stack cable. Clear? And this one is a stack method. This one. Basically, in this method, how many switches we are using? We are using 1, 2, 3, and one more switch, 4. One more switch. Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4. Clear? So basically, first cable, switch 1 to switch 2. Then switch 2 to switch 3. And switch 3 to switch 4. And now next cable from switch 1 to directly switch 4. So same thing, verify. Switch 1 to switch 2. Switch 2 to switch 3. Switch 3 to switch 4. And switch 1 to directly switch 4. So one switch act as a master and rest of the switches act as a slave. So master switch will take a data decision. Master switch can do a forwarding process. Master switch can verify a protocols and slave waiting for decision for master. Okay. Loyal, Neil, Gopi. This thing is clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
And one more thing also remember, if you are doing using a console port on your switches. One more thing always remember, before doing access your switch, So for example, if you are having a switch with a console port and this side a user sitting, and this user want to connect with your console port, so must be use which one cable, dear? Console cable name is rollover cable. Which one? Rollover cable. After connect your device with this console cable, must be used application to access your device. Which application? Mostly we are using a putty.
Okay.
In putty we need to define a communication port number, and we also need to define a baud rate. Baud rate short form is BPS. BPS means bit per second. Every device, I will write down this thing. Every vendor devices having different baud rate. So if you are using a Cisco, so 9600 bit can transmit within a 1 second. If you are using a Nokia switch, baud rate, you can verify how many baud rates. Sometimes 9600, sometimes how many? 1,15,200. Yes or no? So always verify baud rate. And how this one is your putty application. In this putty application, connect your serial because we are using a rollover. Define your communication port and define your baud rate. If you write down the mismatch, your baud rate, so device never gets CLI access. Okay, device never get a CLI access. This thing is clear. Loyal, Gopi, Neil. Okay.
Yeah.
Verify one thing. This session is over. One thing always verify in production network. For example, right now we are having a multiple racks. If you need to verify this thing, verify. Hold on, I will show you. This one is rack available in our organization. So this racks you can access easily if you are available in physical. Clear? And if you are available in logical, so how to do labs? So right now you need to use simulators, GNS3, packet tracer, multiples. Clear? But this rack you can verify multiple switch available, multiple routers available, and we are also having a core devices. This one is core router. This one is layer 3 switches, this one is layer 2 switches, and this one is enterprise router. So in single rack, we are using 8 to 9 devices to perform a lab. If you are joining a CCNP or CCI, so we can provide this one. Physically must be available the person or a student. Clear? Then you can easily access this lab. Any doubt? Loyal, Neil, Gopi?
No.
Okay, this thing is clear. Okay. Right now we meet again next week. You can say tomorrow, and tomorrow we discuss a data flow topic. In data flow topic, we learn how data traffic will be processed via switch and how switch will take a decision on the basis of MAC addresses. And we also learn a broadcast storm and unknown unicast flooding process. Okay.
Okay.
This thing is clear. Loyal, Neil, Gopi.
Yes.
Okay. Go through this video and we can meet again next week, tomorrow, and discuss same topic.
Okay.
Thank you.